Welcome to a demonstration of our practice management reporting system. PMR was developed to provide a powerful web-based reporting tool that streamlines the delivery of key financial and clinical information for healthcare networks and physician practices. Before I begin the demo, I'd like to highlight some of the key functionality of the system. This system gives medical groups a vehicle to push key data out to the physician population in an automated way. Physicians can pull up reports at their own convenience via any internet browser. And they can also use a mobile or tablet device such as an iPad to view their reports. One of the main features of the reporting system is role-based security, where physicians and staff see only the data they are authorized to see. There's also a document management component to the system where you can post static reports and spreadsheets to share with certain groups of people that belong to certain departments. PMR also integrates with systems like Kaufman Hall's Budget Advisor, GE IDX Flowcast Centricity systems, and we also have the ability to build custom interfaces with other industry-leading GL, HR, payroll, and billing and accounts receivable systems. Now let me start the demonstration. To log in, you select a user from the drop-down menu and enter their password. In this user's example, they are authorized to see a dashboard of charges and receipts for each of the departments, along with a group total. You can see as I cursor over the departments, the chart changes. This is an interactive dashboard. And you can also see the charge and payment amounts for the current month and prior months as I cursor over those bars. So that's just a quick example of an interactive dashboard we could display. Another example might be a profit and loss statement that we can show at the provider level. I select division, I select my department, and that brings up a profit and loss statement for that department with all the providers along the right. Another example of a canned report might be a provider charges activity report. I could select provider single, select the provider, and then I see a list of all their charges at a patient level line item detail. Another example of a canned report might be an accounts receivable age trial balance. If we select that report, we can see a listing of all the insurance companies along the left and the aging buckets along with the days in accounts receivable, and two charts on the bottom. And this offers drill down capability, so if, for example, I want to see the payers that make up commercial insurance category, I can click on that pie chart and see the list of commercial insurance payers in a separate tab. And at any time I can go back to the main report by clicking the main report tab. Another powerful feature of our system is a query tool, where we build custom query forms based on the data in your data warehouse. So in this case, we have query forms for financial data by payer, by payment code, by CPT charge, or payment per RVUs, for example. If I show you financial data by payer, we come into that query form, and all our query forms offer drop-down boxes and selection boxes that are very easy to use. In this case, we could select different hospitals, locations, billing areas, payer groups. So for example, if I wanted to see all self-pay charges, I can select self-pay from the payer group, and then I come down to my output fields. I can say I want to see the financial classes as well as post-period and division. Now I can send the output to the screen, an Excel file, or a CSV file. I'll select screen, and that will open up this separate output box showing all the information we selected in our criteria for our query and the output of the query. There's 18 rows, and as you can see, we have all the departments and for all the self-pay, charges, payments, and total units, and there's a total at the bottom. So that's a quick example of some of the features of our system. If you would like more information, please contact our website at bostondatatech.com. Thank you for your time.